Hi everyone, that's Didi Toys channel, and today we are going to crochet a watermelon piece which can be used as a keychain, a part of a toy as decoration, or a separate toy. You'll need for it 4 colors of yarn, just a little of each. I will use Yarn Art jeans yarn. You'll also need scissors, a sewing needle, a keychain bases and pliers if you are going to make a keychain. You can order similar bases on AliExpress or try finding it in your local stores. Then 2mm crochet hook, some fiber fill if you plan to stuff it, I didn't use it at all, and markers if you like using them. That's all about materials. It's a really easy crochet pattern, beginner friendly, and it takes about 15-20 minutes to create one. So, if everything is ready, let's start crocheting. Start by magic ring and then crochet 6 single crochet stitches into it. After that, tighten the circle. I use a thread of a different color instead of a marker. 2 single crochet stitches followed by an increase twice for the round 2. Now 3 single crochet stitches followed by an increase twice. That makes 10 stitches in total. Four single crochet stitches followed by an increase twice. That makes 12 stitches for the round 4. Five single crochet stitches followed by an increase twice. 14 stitches for the round 5. Now 6 single crochet stitches followed by an increase twice. 16 stitches in total. Seven single crochet stitches followed by an increase twice. 18 stitches for the round 7. Eight single crochet stitches followed by an increase twice. 20 stitches for the round 8. And the last round with increases. 9 single crochet stitches followed by an increase twice. If you want to make a bigger slice, you can continue crocheting in the same way, increasing twice in a round. That's enough for me, so I will crochet a single crochet stitch in each stitch around. Cut the thread as we are going to change the color. Now crochet a single crochet stitch in each stitch of a previous round again. Make one more single crochet stitch to make the color changing less visible. Changing of color again, and a single crochet stitch in each stitch around. One more round of 22 stitches in total. Now cut the thread, fold and sew the edges together. Insert the needle through back loops only, that way it looks better for me. Fasten off and weave in the yarn tail. Now we are going to embroider the seats. Use a black thread for that. I just make cross stitches in a chaotic order. Same process for the second part. Tie a knot and weave in the yarn tails. Your watermelon slice is ready. The last thing to do is attaching a keychain basis. Use pliers for that. Finally, your keychain is ready. Hope you enjoyed crocheting it. Thanks for watching, and I will really appreciate it if you follow my channel, like and comment.